When we're sewing an inside leg, just like if you're doing an underarm, you're dealing with a four-way seam junction. So what we're trying to do is line up that junction perfectly so it makes the perfect cross right in the middle. There's a little trick you can do to make this happen and make it accurate every time. Key to this is not bringing together your seam allowances. You've got to bring together the actual stitch lines at the point that you'll be sewing across them. We bring them together and we pin through the stitch line out into the other stitch line and in like that. This is getting the stitch line, so the actual line that you see of your seam from the outside, to line up rather than your seam allowances, which, as we all know with sewing, can be stretched, can be moved. With pressing, they can go different ways. If you're lining up the actual line of stitching with a pin, this is going to make it far more accurate when it comes to crossing that junction. Put the pin in, have it vertical. So when you put it into the machine, it is sticking up, straight up, and you have to proceed with caution. It helps to put some more pins in to really secure that. Put them in diagonally, but keep an eye on them because they're diagonal and you need to take them out before you cross them with your needle. Go slow. Don't rush through this. Once you get more confident, obviously you can just motor through all these things, but when you're really trying to work this out for the first couple of times, it helps to go slow. You need to slow down because also we have pins that we need to get out of the way at the exact right moment. Remove your pin, carry on sewing. Matching those seam lines is the key. You're bringing the lines together rather than the seam allowances, making it much more accurate as you cross that seam junction. The same goes for when you're doing an underarm. Anything where you have all four coming in and you want to get that accuracy, get that pin and pierce it through the stitch lines. Disregard the matching up of your seam allowances for this point. It's far more accurate that way. I'm Alex and I love to sew. If you like to sew, then follow along for more tips just like this.